I'm going to be demonstrating and talking about how to add hardware to your cabinets, specifically your bathroom vanity. What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name's Colton. The hardware I purchased from Home Depot is very easy to install, and these are basic steps that you can take in installing any type of hardware in your cabinets. If this is your first time here checking out this video or our channel, we ask you to subscribe. The reason for that is we produce project videos and review videos and showing you how easy it is to turn your house into a home. If you want to see other project videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right up here. The time that it took me to complete this project once I purchased the hardware was about 10 minutes, so let's get started. We wanted to give this half bath a new look with some new hardware. So I wanted to add a knob in the center of the top panels and rectangle knobs going down the doors to make it easier to open. Starting with the top panels, take something that has a straight edge and find the center. You can do this a couple ways. Draw a line from corner to corner and that will intersect each other and that is the center. Or you can measure the length and width of the panel, cut it in half, and that's your center. Next, take your drill bit and you're going to drill in that center. Couple tips. Use a drill bit that has a sharp tip and will actually dig into the wood and not move around while you're drilling. Drill from the outside to the inside of the vanity in case the wood chips as you're drilling. Also be sure your drill bit isn't wider than the screw that you're going to use. I started drilling with a 1/8 drill bit and then I moved to a 1/4 drill bit to minimize damage. Take your hardware and make sure you are aware of what you're installing. You'll see here that this piece has a little metal nub. This helps minimizes movement while you use this handle because it digs into the wood. I want to make sure that I'm twisting the screw into the handle rather than the handle into the screw. Because if I don't, this little nub could either rip up the paint or damage the wood. Take your screw and thread it through the hole from the inside of the vanity, making sure that you're placing the handle where you want it and keeping that steady. If you have hardware that doesn't have that little nub on there that won't damage your wood, you can just thread the screw in and tighten by the handle rather than the screw. Next, for the door handles, you want to position them where you like. Where you put this handle all depends on your preference of style, what it looks like, and even where the vanity or cabinet is located, so it's easier for you to open and close the doors. Once you determine where those handles are going to go on the door, a quick workaround is screw in the holes and then make marks depending on where those holes are going to be, and then drill. I cleaned up the paint and any wood chips with an X-Acto knife blade. Thread the screws in from the back, making sure again that you're going to keep the handle steady and tighten the screws into the handle. When you do the handles for the other side, whether it's the top panel or the door, make sure you level it off, make the marks, and repeat the steps shown earlier. Once it's all fastened down, make sure it's level, and you're done. Thank you so much for checking out today's project video. If you want to see other project videos just like this one, go ahead and click on this link right here, and don't forget to click on this icon to subscribe so you don't miss out on future project or review videos that we have in the pipeline. Be sure to keep an eye out for our review video coming up on the hardware used, and also in the meantime you can check out our Facebook and Instagram account that you can find right here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.